Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best acne cream is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for clearer skin, and with good reason. This powerful combination tackles acne from multiple angles, offering a targeted approach to breakouts. Benzoyl peroxide, a potent antibacterial agent, fights the bacteria that cause acne, while salicylic acid, an exfoliant, helps unclog pores and prevent future breakouts. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right cream can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll cut through the noise and explore what makes a truly effective benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid cream, helping you find the perfect fit for your skin. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Effaclar System. This system is designed to help clear acne and prevent breakouts. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, so you can get clear skin without irritation. Start with the cleanser to gently remove dirt, oil, and impurities. It contains salicylic acid to unclog pores and prevent future breakouts. Next, use the toner to refine pores and balance your skin's pH. It helps to prepare your skin for the spot treatment. Finally, apply the spot treatment to blemishes. It contains benzoyl peroxide to kill acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. With consistent use, this system will help you achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin. It's a complete system for a complete solution. It's formulated to be gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to clearer skin. What we like. This 3-step system is designed for sensitive skin and provides a 2-month supply. If you have sensitive skin and want a complete acne treatment plan, this is a great option. It's a convenient and effective way to manage breakouts without irritating your skin. It's perfect for those seeking a comprehensive approach to acne care. What people say. I've had great luck with this product set. Due to a prolonged period of stress, my normally clear complexion developed issues which necessitated more than Dove soap and a vitamin C serum every day. Following these tips has made my first week of use effective with no adverse effects, burning, peeling, etc. On the 3rd day I did experience a slight breakout, but it cleared up by day 5. I feel like this was a normal rebellion since my skin wasn't used to harsh cleansers and topicals being regularly applied. The cleanser is definitely more powerful than the ones I've used in the past. The speed that I saw benefits were impressive. After just 2 days I noticed significant improvements, and now after a week my skin is almost completely clear and looks better than it has in a while. And for once, no excess T-zone oiliness but a much more balanced look. I have sensitive skin, so sometimes it's hard to find good face wash that won't give me a rash or break me out. This doesn't. It actually leaves like a clean, refreshing feeling. No leftover redness or itching. No flare-ups. Doesn't mess with my eyes when washing or anything. Overall, really good product. Number 4. Paula's Choice Clear Kit. This kit provides a complete solution for managing acne. It's designed to prevent and treat breakouts, leaving your skin clearer and healthier. Start your day with this gentle cleanser. It effectively removes dirt and oil without overdrying your skin, preparing it for the next steps. This exfoliant gently removes dead skin cells, unclogging pores and preventing future breakouts. It helps to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of blemishes. This treatment targets existing acne and helps to reduce inflammation and redness. It's a powerful yet effective ingredient for clearing up breakouts. With consistent use, this kit helps to reduce the frequency and severity of acne breakouts. It's fragrance-free, making it suitable for even sensitive skin. This 3-piece kit combines the power of a daily cleanser, exfoliant, and treatment to provide a comprehensive approach to clear skin. Experience the Paula's Choice difference. What we like. This 3-piece kit tackles mild to severe acne and is fragrance-free. If you are looking for a versatile solution for various acne severities, and want to avoid fragrances, this kit is a good choice. It offers a complete routine to prevent and treat breakouts effectively. It's ideal for those with sensitive skin or fragrance sensitivities. What people say. The small size is actually helpful, because it helps you conserve the product and not use too much, which could cause irritation. Within just a few uses my face was improving. These combination steps significantly reduce the redness and smooth the acnes in one night. Number 3. AcneFree Oil-Free Cleanser. This cleanser is specially formulated to treat existing acne and prevent new breakouts. It's fragrance-free, so it's gentle on sensitive skin. It absorbs deep into your pores to target acne at the source. At the same time, it helps your skin retain moisture for a healthy glow. This cleanser is part of a full line of acne treatments. Find the perfect products to create your customized skincare routine. It provides hydration, soothes, and helps to balance your skin. With consistent use, you'll see and feel a difference. Developed with dermatological science, it's a gentle yet effective solution trusted by doctors. It's suitable for all ages and skin types. What we like? It's an oil-free cleanser with 2.5% benzoyl peroxide that helps prevent future breakouts. If you need a powerful yet gentle cleanser to prevent new acne, this is a strong contender. Its formula effectively targets acne while being kind to your skin. It's suitable for those who want a straightforward, effective acne-fighting cleanser. What people say. Not drying at all, very creamy cleanser in a small amount spreads easily. But this has cleared up my face more than any other product that I have tried. It's really quite shocking. What it won't do, if your acne is like mine, is get rid of a clogged pore that is already formed and taking residence on your face. It may help it come to a head for extraction, and I'm totally fine with that. But the true amazing thing is the prevention that this face wash has provided. Effective enough to prevent my skin from breaking out, but gentle. Number 2. Naturelle Acne Spray. It harnesses the power of salicylic acid, blended with soothing essential oils, for a highly effective acne treatment. This unique formula is gentle yet powerful. It tackles hormonal and cystic acne, effectively clearing breakouts on your back, chest, shoulders, butt, thighs, and face. Say goodbye to acne wherever it appears. Infused with vitamins and minerals, it moisturizes and prevents future breakouts. It also calms redness and keeps your skin healthy. It's carefully formulated with natural ingredients like eucalyptus, witch hazel, and tea tree oil. These reduce pore size, soothe breakouts, and prevent dryness. It's dermatologically, clinically, and allergy tested to ensure maximum safety and effectiveness. You can confidently use it knowing it's been rigorously tested. What we like? This body spray treats acne on all body areas and helps prevent future breakouts. If you struggle with body acne, this is a convenient and effective solution. Its unique spray format makes it easy to apply to hard-to-reach areas. It's perfect for those seeking a comprehensive body acne solution. What people say. I was looking for a product with benzoyl peroxide which was stronger than the 2% variety yet less harsh than the 10% spot creams. This fit the bill. It does keep breakouts at bay and is more gentle and soothing than the 10% benzoyl peroxide formulations. It has a good amount, and if you're using it in small portions and applying thin layers, then it should well over 4 months. Number 1. MD Acne Duo. This powerful duo is your key to clearer skin. It combines a salicylic acid cleanser and a benzoyl peroxide treatment for a complete acne-fighting solution. Start with this gentle yet effective cleanser. It contains 2% salicylic acid to unclog pores and prevent future breakouts. Apply it to your face morning and night, gently massaging it into your skin. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Follow up with this targeted treatment. It contains 4.5% benzoyl peroxide to kill acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Apply a thin layer to affected areas once or twice daily. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant reduction in acne breakouts. It's a 60-day supply, giving you ample time to see results. This complete system tackles acne from every angle, leaving you with clearer, healthier-looking skin. Experience the MD Complete Acne Clearing Duo today. What we like? This 2-step system combines salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide and provides a 60-day supply. If you prefer a targeted, 2-step approach to clear your skin, this is a great option. The combination of ingredients effectively targets acne from different angles. It's ideal for those who want a longer-lasting treatment plan. What people say. This helps so much with getting rid of any breakouts quickly and does not dry my skin out. In 8 days our son's acne is significantly better, nearly cleared up. Impressive results. After only a few days I've noticed our red bumps diminishing in size and no new ones forming. That's so awesome. My skin doesn't feel dry, another huge plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.